Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we're in the process of disassembling a 1971 Harley 900 Sportster Ironhead. So we're offering the cylinders here with the pistons. Now I looked in a book and they gave me this part number, and according to the book, it fits 70 to 71 900 Sportster. I don't know why it wouldn't fit 57 to 69 also, but I'm not a Sportster guy, so I don't know this for sure. But anyway, I see no broken fins. It does have a 57 casting number right here. Now the cylinders are standard bore. We kind of cleaned them up on the top so I could take a look and see what size they were, but we just wound up measuring it, and they are standard bore. You might be able to get by with a set of rings and just run them, or you might want to go oversized, but this was a running motorcycle, but the transmission busted the cases out on it. So here's the front cylinder also, and it has a 57 casting number on it right here. So like I said, I don't know if it'll work on 57 to 69 Sportster for sure, but the book does say 70 to 71, and I really don't know the difference. And this piston here doesn't really appear to be too bad. It's had some blow by, but you might be able to get by with ringing it, or you just have to hone it out and check piston wall clearance. So we've not done that, but we're offering this for sale on our webpage as a set, and these are not aftermarket Taiwan. These are the genuine real deal. There's no broken fins, so this would be a nice candidate for restoration. Okay, thanks a lot for looking at our stuff. Take care.